What's up, Mafia? It's Chris Martinez. Hope you're having a great day today. As promised, I'm going to show you how we were able to triple our ticket price. I have a tiny window cleaning company here in the Houston, Texas area, Northwest Houston area. And when we first started our business, we started out with an average ticket price of about $250. We did window cleaning, and most of our houses were, exterior only, around 3,000, 4,000 square foot. And at that time, we were charging about $7 a window. So most houses had about 35, 33, 35 windows on them. So it's about $250. And as we were doing this, we're like, man, we're not going to get rich off of $250. How do we get this job closer to $1,000? What do we got to do $1,000 a day with only doing one job? Or how do we do $2,000 using two people? Um, you know, with minimal jobs. We're not in this to do volume. We're not in this to do quantity. We're in this to do quality. And with that said, I want to show you guys this, but before I show you, let me give you my disclaimer real quick. We do window cleaning, pressure washing, and roof washing. So for you guys out there that only do pressure washing, this is for you too, right? This is for you. You just may have to get a little bit more creative, and I'm going to show you how to get a little bit more creative here at the end. If you do pest control, this is for you. So don't be like, oh, he does window cleaning, pressure washing, and roof washing. This wouldn't work for me. You can apply this same principle to your business. Second disclaimer is what I'm about to tell you, you've already heard before. So once I say this, you're going to be like, oh, that's it. But here's the deal. I'm going to show you the strategy, right? Everything that we do in our company, there's a reason why we do it. There's a strategy behind it. And some people will be like, that's so stupid. That's dumb. But they don't understand the strategy of what we're trying to do, right? And that's to have a tiny business that does a lot in revenue and a lot in profit, right? I don't really care about having 20 employees and 20 trucks on the road, but I want to be $1 million business, right? And I want to do that with 4 or 5 guys. I don't want to have 10 employees. So we try to when we were trying to figure out how do we get more out of a customer, right? So here's where the strategy started to come in play. We came up with a package deal. And I don't mean like basic window cleaning, premium window cleaning, deluxe window cleaning. I mean like how can we get somebody to call us for window cleaning and then in that sell with them getting everything done at their house, right? So follow me. If you just do pressure washing, follow me because I'm going to show you what you can do at the end. So what we started to do was like, okay, we have our customer life cycle, right? And the customer life cycle starts when they call you and it ends when the sale is done. But we kind of extended that customer life cycle to not just when they call us, but how did they hear about us, right? When they heard about us, what did they see? So then we started kind of pushing those package deals. Let me show you this, right? So let's just take a postcard, for example. Everything that we do talks about package deals. Hey, package deals. Yes, you can get a window cleaning, but package deals. And then we kind of took that to the next level and said, okay, well, let's talk about that package deal. Now we put the prices on those package deal whenever they get a postcard in the mail. I love this because this right here does two things. It lets us know like they're serious, right? These are qualified buyers. But then it lets us know that when they call us, most likely they're going to get one of these package deals. They're not just going to be calling us saying, hey, I want my windows cleaned. They're going to be calling us saying, hey, man, I need to get everything done. I'm glad I found you guys because we need to get this done. So let's go ahead and get this done, right? So let me just show you this guy over here real quick. Let me see if we can pull this up. We started doing these package deals. So our basic package started at $450. Now let me tell you, right away, a 3,000 square foot house, remember I told you earlier, is $250. So we already, if they just get the package, this basic package, we're already winning. But here's what started to happen is they weren't just getting the basic package. They started getting the premium package. So that $250 job now turned into a $1,000 job. Now, these $450 jobs are cool because we can do 4, 5, 6 of these in a day. And these premium jobs, we can do 2 of these in a day. And this is with a 2-man crew. So now our $250 job has turned into a $450 job or a $1,000 job. And this is based off of a 3,000 square foot, right? And then after that, right, everything is kind of focused on that. Our estimate sheets show it. Let me show you our estimate sheets real quick. Here's our estimate sheet. So whenever they give us, they get the flyer, they get the postcard, they get a Facebook ad. Everything's kind of focused on that package deal. They're going to call the office. The office manager is going to tell them about the package deal. They're going to get an estimate. The estimator is going to show them the package deal. Matter of fact, this used to be our old estimate sheet. Now, you still get a la carte prices, right? Here's if you want just window cleaning. But here's the deal. We're going to make these prices super, super expensive. So if you want exterior window cleaning, what used to be $7 is now probably $10. If you want interior window cleaning, what used to be $4 could be now $6, $7. Power washing a home, what used to be like 20 cents a square foot, now it could be 30 cents a square foot. But if you want a good deal, you're going to get these package prices. And here's what a good deal means. That's just our regular prices. We're not losing any money. We're not giving anything away for free. We actually, let me show you the other estimate sheet. We did this on both sides. Here's our roof washing. This is a pretty cool little estimate because we actually put the picture of the home on there, and then we would give them a price, and then we would give them the package deal. But then this year we decided, man, how do we take this to the next level? How can we make this even better, right? So here we go. Here's our newest estimate sheet. So say somebody calls us up for just window cleaning. Well, guess what? They're getting a price for everything. We're going to give them a price for window cleaning. Hey, your gutters look good, so you may not get a price. We'll put a line there. Hey, your roof is dirty. You need to get that washed. We're going to give you some literature, and while we're giving you the estimate to share with you why you need to get your roof washed. We're going to give you an estimate for just about everything on your house, and then as you flip this over, it's going to give you the package deals. And I'm not going to show you guys that part of it. But it's just pretty much the same. It has on the other side, it has their name, their address, and it gives them the option to get a package deal, and it gives them the regular price and how much money they'll be saving along with their package pricing. So this right here, guys, I'm not even joking. When I say we've tripled our average ticket price, we didn't even triple the average ticket price. We actually tripled our days, right? We went from doing $800 to $1,000 a day per two-man crew to doing $2,000 a day, 24 in springtime. We'll do $2,400, $2,600 a day per two-man crew. That's $2,400 a day, about $2,400, $2,500 a day per two-man crew to go out there. Man, everybody wins. The customer wins, the company wins, the employees win because the employees are on commission. Now they're making $200, $300, $400 a day. Everybody wins. Now we don't have to find 50 jobs. All we really need to do is find 10, right? So it just cuts the work in half. You get paid more. This is just, guys, this is a way for you to really, really explode your business, especially you guys that are in the residential. So let's just say all you do is pressure washing. Chris, I don't do window cleaning. All I do is pressure washing. How can this help me? Build packages around that pressure washing. And I'll give you an example. Your basic package could be flat surface cleaning. Your deluxe package could be flat surface cleaning with house washing. Your premium package could be flat surface cleaning with house washing with gutter whitening. There's so much stuff you can do with this, guys. Carpet cleaners. I don't know really anything about carpet cleaning, but if you get creative enough, you can come up with a package deal. If an average room is $99, I guarantee you can come up with a package deal to make your average house $300 or average, whatever it is, right? I don't want to pretend like I know anything about carpet cleaning. Pest control. You guys can do the same thing. This can work with just about anything out there. So here's what I want you guys to do. Take advantage of this. If you want to copy my estimate sheets, by all means, copy them. Let me show you just real quick. This is our fly. This is what we started out with. Package deals. Everything that we do talks about the package deals. Package deal. When they call the office, they talk about the package deal. When the estimator comes out, he talks about the package deal. When you get your estimate, let me get the estimates over here. Here's our first one, right? A la carte prices. Package deal. It's no different than this one over here. A la carte prices, you turn it around, boom, package deal. So I hope this has helped somebody I hope this triples your average ticket price, and I hope you make a ton of money this year because I don't know about you guys. I didn't get into business not to make money. I got into business to make money and change my family's life. So, hope that helps you guys.